Hi guys, let's look at copy trading on Bybit. If you're new to trading or just looking for a smarter way to invest, copy trading on Bybit might be the perfect solution. It lets you automatically mirror the trades of professional traders, so you can benefit from their expertise without constantly analyzing charts or watching the market. The first step is to create an account on Bybit. Use our link below to sign up and unlock a bonus for new users. Once you're logged in, navigate to the copy trading section. Select the Tools tab and click Copy Trading. You'll see a list of top-performing traders, each with clearly displayed performance data, win rates, and trade history. Before choosing someone to follow, take time to compare their stats. Look at their average return, how long they've been trading, how many followers they have, and, most importantly, how consistent their performance is. Review their detailed trade history to understand their strategy. Some traders are aggressive while others are cautious. Pick someone whose style matches your risk tolerance. When you're ready, click the copy button next to their profile. Choose how much capital to allocate and whether to copy all trades or only specific ones. You can also set stop-loss limits to protect yourself if the market turns. Once everything's set, any trade that trader makes will be mirrored in your account in real time. Copy trading isn't completely passive, though. Check in regularly. Performance can change and you may want to reallocate your funds. Bybit lets you stop copying anytime or switch to another trader quickly. Finally, remember that while copy trading can shorten the learning curve, it's still investing, and risk is always involved. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat it as a tool for gradual growth, not a guaranteed win. With careful selection and sound management, it can be a powerful way to participate in the market. The best way to learn is to practice with a small amount first. Hands-on experience will help you understand how everything works without exposing yourself to significant risk. And don't forget to use the link below to activate your welcome bonus on Bybit.